Hey guys, Colton Tremp, Director of Precision Farming here at Midwest Machinery. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a tank mix inside of Operations Center, as well as using the tank mix calculator with an already built tank mix. Start by going to Setup and Products. On the top of the page, you're going to navigate to Chemicals. Verify that whatever you're building in your tank mix is already listed. If not, add it through Products. We're going to click Add a Tank Mix, and first start by entering in whatever name you're going to use. For this one, I have a trial. By targeting crops, you can select multiple. For this example, I'm saying I'm targeting corn at an application rate of 15 gallons per acre. By tank size, we're using a 616R with a 1,600 gallon tank. I do have the ability to switch between water or a fertilizer solution for a different carrier if I was in the spring. Click the Select Products button and click all the products that you want inside of your tank, noticing that they're getting added over on the right-hand side. If you want to remove one, click the X, otherwise save products. Enter in your desired rates, verifying that you're using the correct measurement for rate. First one, we're using quarts per acre. This next example for strike lock, we're going to use fluid ounces per acre. Verify that you don't accidentally use ounces per acre, as we see with the status herbicide. This is 5 ounces per acre as a dry granular, making sure that it shows up in pounds. Lastly, fill out all chemicals, switching your correct rates to fluid ounces. On the right, we can have it in gallons, pints, quarts, or we can have it in pounds, ounces, or tons, depending on how much of the product we're using. To view that tank mix on the top, click Tank Mixes. Now we can see the one we just built. After we select it, we can verify that it's all in there and what our rate would be. We can see that the targeted crop is corn, and we have the ability to use the calculator. So on a full 1,600 gallon tank would spray 106 acres. In this example, I say I have 102 acres to spray. Show me the partial tank load, and now it'll give me each individual tank that I need in order to complete that field of 102 acres. I have the ability to print this out and send it with an operator or applicator if needed.